So how can you use the Final Cut on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So Final Cut, you probably know that it's a video editor made by Apple, a very popular choice. And when you go to the App Store on the iPhone and look up the Final Cut, you will be able to see it right there, right? So as you can see, you should have the ability to find some things like the Final Cut camera, which I'm going to get into, right? But for example, if I show you the Creator Studio thing, if I look that up, you'll be able to see that this is the Apple Creator Studio bundle, and this is what it looks like, the Final Cut Pro. The app looks like this, but it only works on the Mac and iPad's platforms. So the official video editor made by Apple, the Final Cut, cannot be downloaded on the iPhone. It simply doesn't have the supported version. But as you could see before, there is a Final Cut app, but it's the Final Cut camera. It's obviously a little bit of a different thing, but that's what you probably notice on someone else's phone, right? Like this, what the icon looks like, and then this is essentially a professional camera which can capture the footage using the built-in cameras, but more professionally. So you can see you have all of the manual controls like the white balance and the manual focus, exposure, shutter speed, and so on, right? So this gives you much more flexibility with your footage, and that is the only Final Cut which you can really use on the iPhone. So for professional video editors, if you need some of them, the great alternatives include the CapCut, which you are probably aware of, right? So there is the CapCut available. You should definitely give it a try. But also there is the LumaFusion, which is less known but also very powerful. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's a one-time purchase, but there are still some subscriptions inside, so just keep that in mind. But this is also a very professional video editor. So that's what I wanted to explain, and let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.